G'day folks, this is the Smarttek tripod stand. It's a super convenient way to mount your Smarttek hot water system in your campsite, no matter where you pull up. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's here today, down at the Brownhill Creek Caravan Park again, which is a really easy getaway for Adelaideans or a great stopover if you're passing through Adelaide, right down in Adelaide's eastern suburbs, only 15 minutes from the city, right next to the Adelaide Hills and just across town from the beach. They've given us some space down at the caravan park next to the creek that runs along the back of the caravan park here today to show you some products, and I'm going through some Smarttek gear for you. First of all, we've got the Smarttek tripod stand, which is a super convenient way and portable way to mount your Smarttek hot water system no matter where you set up camp. So this is the product packed up. It measures about 72 in length by about 12 or 13 centimeters in diameter. I'll start by showing you what you get in the bag. So this is what comes in the bag with your Smarttek tripod stand. This is the main portion of the tripod or the base. This is the extension that goes on the top of that. You get a couple of brackets and 3 pegs to secure it to the ground. Now these brackets line up with the mounting points on the Smarttek hot water system. Now this isn't included with the tripod. This is the main unit that you buy separately. But these brackets line up with the mounting points on the back here, and I'll show you how that works in a sec. The first thing we're going to do to set up the tripod stand is work out where you want to set it up. We need to be near a water source or near a power source when you're setting up the shower. So I'm going to set it up just here. Now to orient the tripod, there's a flat section on one side. You want that to be facing away from the side that your shower's mounted on. So my shower's going to face this way, so I'll spread it out here. Now, as you pull this middle section up, the legs will spread out. Just got to wiggle it around a bit and they fall to the side. And there's a nut on the side here that you can tighten up to keep that in place. There's also another nut on the bottom. You can adjust it from the bottom up as well if you like. Not sure why you'd want to do that, but you can leave it in place. From there, grab your pegs, and they go in the eyelets on each corner here to keep it steady so it doesn't fall over while your shower's mounted on top. Now we grab the 2 brackets and the extension sleeve that goes on top here. Got to put the brackets on first. They won't fit over the plastic cap on top here. And when we put these brackets on, we've got to put them in opposite directions. So the one on the bottom has got this lip facing upwards, and then the one on the top has this lip facing downwards. We then put this extension sleeve on top there, same deal, flat side to flat side, so it fits neatly over the top. Slide that into place, and then we can slide these brackets right up the top. Now I'm going to mount mine as high as I can, so I'll tighten this one at the top here, and leave the bottom one loose, because from here we can put the shower on here, and then tighten this up against the bottom of it. Now we grab our hot water unit. Now, if you've got a Smarttek branded hot water unit, you'll have these tabs here, which are used to mount it onto this tripod. I guess you could use the tripod for other mounting options as well, but you might need to improvise depending on what your hot water system has got here. The Smarttek one though slides right into place. So we position the one at the top here, we'll grab the bottom bracket and slide it up so that it sits in the sleeve, and we tighten this nut in place. That's now supporting the shower, but there's a couple more things to tighten up just to stop it from sliding out sideways. There's 4 nuts on each side here, and what they do is tighten up against the little bracket up underneath here to stop it from sliding out. Now that's a tripod all set up with a shower attached. Now that was pretty straightforward. Now I haven't talked about materials yet, but this is an aluminium. It's really lightweight. It's only about 1.44 kilos. And these components are all plastic throughout. They're a durable plastic and they feel pretty sturdy. Now in terms of the height, I've got this set at a height that makes it reasonably sturdy at the moment. The legs are spread reasonably wide. Now you could sort of pull those legs in closer and it's going to push it up a little bit higher here, but the whole unit's not going to be quite as steady when you're doing that. Now, pack up of this is just as easy as setup. Everything in reverse. They'll get everything packed down. It can all go back in the bag. And that is how you set up and pack away the Smarttek tripod stand. Now, you could use this for other appliances. Obviously, it is made specifically for the Smarttek portable hot water unit. If you're willing to improvise a little bit with the brackets, you could make something that will clip onto the unit that you've got if you've got anything, I'm not sure what, that you need to keep up a little bit higher up off the ground in the campsite. You can grab these online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. If you like that video, subscribe to our channel. You'll get all the latest and greatest info, or check out some other Smarttek videos like these ones down here.